ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to your homework assignment tonight, learning how to solve a multi-step equation. We're going to begin with the example that you can see in front of you. 8x plus 1 equals 3, parentheses, x minus 8. Alright, this is our solving multi-step linear equations. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to distribute the 3x, the 3 to the x, and to the 24, to the 8, which will give you 24. On the other side, nothing changes. You just bring down your 8x and your plus 1. Now we want to try to combine like terms on the same side. But if you notice on the left side, 8x plus 1 are not like terms. And if we look on the right side, 3x and the negative 24 are not like terms either. So we can't actually do this step. So we want to go to our next step, which is to combine like terms on the opposite side. Now if you notice, we have 3x and 8x are like terms, and we also have 1 and negative 24 are like terms. So it doesn't matter which ones you choose to combine first. In this process, I'm going to start with our x's. So I got 8x and 3, and I'm going to move the 3 over to the same side as the 8. So I want to subtract 3x, because 3x minus 3x is 0. So they cancel each other out. Now, remember, the rule is, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. So 8 minus 3 is going to give us a 5x. We still have our plus 1, and we still have 24 on the other side. Now, you should notice 24, that's actually not correct, because it should be negative 24. I point this out because it's a very common algebra mistake for students to make. So, now that I've combined the variables together, I need to combine my constants together. So, since x is on the left side, I know my constants need to be on the other side of the equal sign. So that means I have to move the 1 now to the other side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 1, because positive 1 minus 1 is 0 again. So they cancel each other out. Still have 5x on the left side. And now we have negative 25 over here on the right side. Now, the last thing we need to do is to isolate the variable. So the only thing over here with my x right now is this 5. Since it's 5 times x, I need to do the opposite to move it to the opposite side. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we need to divide each side by negative or by positive 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, right? Because we remember from our studies, right? If you only see a variable, such as x, even though it's not written, there is an imaginary 1 in front of it. So, remember, 1x is the same thing as just x. So that's why 5 divided by 5 is 1, but they do cancel each other out. So, now we just have our x over there. So, lastly, negative 25 divided by 5 is negative 5. So remember, it takes 2 negatives to make a positive. I hope you guys have found this video informational, and I look forward to practicing this with you guys tomorrow.